Hello everybody and welcome to my iPhone 11 Pro unboxing and first impressions. So I decided to go from the Note 10 Plus into the iPhone 11 Pro, just a 64 gigabyte model. Um, it's in the midnight green, and let's just get straight into it real quick. This is like first impressions. I'm sorry this is coming late because I did get it almost a week ago, I think, at this point. But I've already got a screen protector on it. I've been using it for a couple days, so this is a little out of character and stuff. But you can see that awesome, like, matte glass finish. And then you can see around the camera area, it's a normal glass finish up there. Um, Stainless steel and midnight green along with the antenna bands and all that. Everything is very similar to the iPhone 10. They have the 3-hole microphone section and then the 6 for the speaker, lightning connector on the bottom, nothing up on the top, SIM card tray and volume rocker, and then no, I'm sorry, power slash Siri button, and then silence and volume rocker on the other side. So you can see there's already fingerprints, which is totally fine. I've got my Tech 21 Evo check case. I can't remember the screen protector brand, but it's one I've been using recently and it's super cheap and they work well. So it's running the latest operating system in beta. So I think it's 13.2 right now, or 13.2.2, I'm not sure. I've used some of the camera features. I'm kind of tossed up between the Pixel 4 and its 2 camera lens system, where you've got a standard lens and you got a telescopic. And then on back here, you've got standard lens, telescopic, and wide angle, or something like that. And then you got the microphone and the True Tone flash in the back. Then you got microphone on the bottom, and there should be a microphone up here on the top, so it kind of keeps your noise cancellation of video recordings. I have not done any video testing yet. In the box, you're not going to see it here. The only thing I've taken out is the 18-watt fast charger that comes with the Pro line, and then you got your lightning connector, earbuds, and it's actually USB-C to lightning connector, which is pretty awesome that they finally did that. And then stickers and SIM ejection tool in there. You saw the back of the box. I don't want to show the serial number. But yeah, awesome device. Even after having it for a little bit of time now, I'm still contemplating, do I return this? Because I think I'm within my last week. Return this and just go with an iPhone 11. I really just want that ultra wide. I feel like the telescopic isn't necessary, especially being that I've got one over here. I don't really zoom anymore unless I absolutely have to. But with the Pixel 4 always being in my pocket along with the iPhone, it kind of makes more sense to get a little bit bigger screen. I'm going to do a little bit more research tonight on what features I'm going to be missing if I remove this, because the OLED over the LCD is not enough to actually make that decision. But I think the monthly cost and everything is going to be cheaper if I go to the 11. So I got to check it out. But this was really just a first impressions. I've had it for about a week, but I want to give it an actual week in my pocket as my primary device, with the Pixel 4 as my secondary, and I didn't really give it that full opportunity yet. So I think I did that on Friday or Saturday. So I'm going to give it a couple of actual working days. I'll do it next Monday, unless the device return is sooner than that, but I'm going to check all that. So keep an eye out for another unboxing or week with device video. I'm going to be putting out tonight. You should be seeing the video of a week with the Pixel 4, because I did surpass a week on that. Maybe I'll do like 2 weeks at this point. But yeah, thanks guys. Comment, subscribe, share. If there's anything specific you want to see in the video review of this, that I can go in a little bit more in depth on, please let me know. Cool thing about the Tech 21 case that just happened to coincide with the Midnight Green is they come with the black buttons, but it gives you green buttons and yellow buttons, and it just so happens that this Midnight Green goes really well with the green buttons. So it's kind of nice to see the Midnight Green and then see a form of green here on the buttons, which is really nice. So it's hard to say I may give this up and just go back to an iPhone 11, but I've got some time. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Thanks again.